Hi, welcome to TVCS. I'm Tanvir. Today I'm here for explaining wholesaler. In commerce, economics, business studies, wholesaler is the great name. In the business activities, there are two hands. One hand is for collecting, and manufacture is for manufacturing, and another his hand is for distributing. Basically, the commercial activities has three hands. One hand for collecting and another hand is for distributing. And wholesaler is the person for appraising the activities. So wholesaler has a vital role in commercial activities. Manufacture in this world, different people have been designed by nature or as the requirement. Wholesaler are the group of people, I would tell, not that much creative. They are rich people. They have a lot of investment. So they appear in the commercial activities with the huge money. In our society, different designation or different posts have been created naturally. Manufacturer as a producer, as a giant identity, with a giant identity, manufacturer don't have enough time for collecting the raw materials going to the field level. These materials have come from the root level, from the quarries, from the fishermen, from the farmers. Okay? But this is mine, this come from mine, whatever. I'm talking that all materials come from the producing primary levels. And these are being supplied by the individuals in different ways. So in this situation, at the time of collecting, wholesaler appear there with a huge shed, what can I tell, warehouse with a huge money. So wholesaler would collect the product from the different hand, and wholesaler gathered in a huge warehouse. So some truck would come for collecting on behalf of manufacturer. So manufacturer, having lack of time, manufacturer collect from the wholesaler. So wholesaler has a role in two sector, collecting sector and distributing sector. Okay, and that manufacturer, especially suppose iPhone manufacturer, they are busy with the quality, they are busy with the refinement, they are busy with the commitment, design, perfectness. So iPhone don't have enough time for selling the product each and every country. In this situation, iPhone second time appoint wholesaler in different country. But it's true that iPhone or renowned institute, organization or company have enough allergic mentality about the maintaining quality. So they always become very sharp at the time of making. That's a different talk. Anyway, so wholesaler for collecting and wholesaler for distributing, you understand. And from the wholesaler, small retailer collect the several number of pieces of iPhone, and last of all, iPhone go to the individuals each hand. So the history of wholesaler is directly contributing to the manufacturer, because manufacturer, this is the world, everyone is busy with his own profession. Suppose I am teacher. Any businessman give their children to our campus as a package. You make my child overcome in O level, A level. You will build up career with so I am specialized for just providing education. In this way, wholesaler or group of people at the time of distributing, I am talking about the distributing level. In the time of distributing level, wholesaler gathered huge number of iPhone in a shed. Wholesaler would have contract to the main company, sir, I will maintain the quality. We are working as wholesaler long time, so there is no chance of corruption. Please, sir. And at the same time, wholesaler provide huge number of money. Wholesaler provide at a time 1000 crore taka in advance. Sir, please have this money. So manufacturer feel relaxed because manufacturer need liquidity, cash money, right? If I ask, sir, please, as a person, as a candidate, as a customer, if I go for one piece of iPhone to the iPhone company doesn't have time for talking with me. So they talk only to the wholesaler, country distributor. So wholesaler appear in front of factory gate through the mail with a institutional approach for getting huge number of product. So company feel accustomed, company feel relaxed, getting at a time huge money. So wholesaler giving the money, wholesaler bring the product in a comparative less rate. Later that is being distributed to the retailer, from the every shops. Last of all, the product would be collected by the customer. This is a uncut video, so I may have many problem. So this is the role of wholesaler. You knew that wholesaler is only in the place of distribution. No, wholesaler only for collecting. No, wholesaler has a great role for also distributing the product in a society. But problem, because of the communication, now I am talking about the new situation, new trend, what are the new realities have appeared in front of the economics, commerce. This is the age of internet connectivity, communication. Now, because of mail, open, social, different types of media, now customer and manufacturer on the same platform. So now people try to knock the manufacturer directly. Also manufacturer become very clever. Manufacturer has opened their new wings of selling, production, customer care. So wholesaler now becoming a great challenge of being declined, because day by day, now companies, now manufacturer doesn't like to see any intermediaries who gets some commission or some benefit from the company. Okay, so now instead of wholesaler, many small retailer are getting declined, getting disappeared from the society, because a small retailer is with a little money cannot survive, with a lack of diversity, lack of investment, having many types of incompleteness, don't have parking space, enough air conditional, very high fidelity environment, whatever. But instead of wholesaler, now many large retailer, not a small retailer, now large retailer have appeared in our society. Okay, and now the different company is directly tackling the customer. They try to tackling the customer, but at any cost, wholesaler never become declined from our society. How that is being described? The first reason, instead of traditional wholesaler for their own survival, wholesaler also has started some commitment. They have changed in their profession. They also bring some innovation for their own survival. What are the innovation? Now wholesaler become specialist wholesaler. I mean, there are many companies like, how can I tell, suppose Samsung. Samsung may not have many country marketing approach. So has Samsung appoint our country Electra International as a specialist wholesaler. I mean, Electra International at the same time collect the huge number of bulk of product from Germany. At the same time, this is the responsibility of marketing in Bangladesh. I mean, Electra International is a specialist wholesaler, not a wholesaler only for collecting bulk of product, moreover for marketing. This is called a specialist wholesaler, because wholesalers are getting declined from our society, so they are becoming specialized for their survival, avoiding decline or being disappeared. There are third time wholesaler. They are called cash and carry wholesaler. They are the really supportive wholesaler, because they would give little margin in profit. They try to cash they are supplying to the retailer. They are welcoming retailer, come and have service, and you get benefit and help me in benefiting. Okay, and cash carry wholesaler never become decline, because cash carry wholesaler margin is very little. Even they are very committed wholesaler, they are providing service to the retailer. So retailer happy, also wholesaler happy. This is the reality. In our society, no profession will decline if there is a commitment. Okay, instead of many big school, we are surviving as a small school. Why? Because we have a specialization in explaining personal care, motivation, minute care, and many special services to the student. Big school, very good, corporate school, general service, but small school, especially from 2000, thousands of students are getting benefited from our institute, and we are brightening and surviving very well. So wholesaler for appraising, for collecting and distributing, and staying or surviving with a bright existence. Thank you very much.